So I'm on the way to a job. I just happened to see a house like burned down. Oh, look at that, dude. Well, that's one hell of an open for a video. Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com. All right, I'm back at another townhome today, and here to clean the dryer vent. You can see we're on this end unit here. Dryer downstairs, vents out of the back. There's a pergola, I don't know, out there, and you're gonna see this one needs some help. They were wondering if the dryer was bad. No, dryer's not bad. Dryer vent's bad. Let's get into it. All right, so we're inside now. Let's see. You know, it's a little dirty back there. That's not bad at all. Got plenty of room. Look at that. Plenty of room. Let's do it. All right, like normal, again, end unit townhome. And look at the garden that she has. Holy moly, it's beautiful back here. Wow, look at those hostas. All right, so coming out of the back, and see it's got that pergola up here, and if we go up top, and I'm gonna walk across this baby, because y'all gotta see this, right? Ooh. Look, guys. Look at that. Holy moly. Like, look at that. All right. Man, I can't get over that. All right, we gotta fix this. From the bottom, maybe it'll show a little better. Look at that mass. Wee. All right, let's do it. All right, back inside. And again, like I always say, guys, we're gonna turn the machine on first. I don't know, I'd say turn on about 50 minutes. Time dry. That way it doesn't shut off on you because of the sensors. Here we go. And it's hard to see, guys, but just since I turned on the dryer, look at it. It's already snowing. And the reason is because you cannot screen that dryer vent, guys. You can't do it. So, looks like I'm gonna be replacing this damper as well, but this should be good, guys. All right, so we're back. I'm gonna first remove this screen. It's already shooting and dumping all over me. Watch this. Look at that. This thing can't breathe, guys. You're gonna blow your dryer. Check this out. I mean, ooh-wee. And it's still, you see it just shooting lint. Oh, look at that. I didn't even have to do anything. Look at what it's blowing out. Here we go. Now, I hope y'all can hear that. All right, the reason it changed sound like that is because it's in the flex hose now. Hold on. It's in the flex. And see, that's what happens a lot, guys. When you screen a dryer vent, the vent itself, after you get a certain bit in, it's not really dirty. It's all at the end. Those screens are terrible, guys, unless you can maintain them, unless you can reach them. But if you can't, then it's not a good idea. Let's see if we can set back up here. See that? This machine is saying, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Whew. Oh, man, that roof is hot. All right, so let me get in the shade. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see. But again, I have to keep hammering this home, guys. If you screen a dryer vent, you better be prepared to maintain that screen. Otherwise, you're blowing dryers. You're spending a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. Also, guys, come on, subscribe. Before I go inside and finish up and do the stuff behind the dryer, hook your boy up, man. Give me a sub. This channel's growing. I never thought it'd grow in the first place. I just started it to bring people to my website. Let's finish up. Ooh, better be careful walking across this. Cause you got certain boards like that that don't look too good. All right, I went out to the truck to see if I have any louvers that would fit. I can't tell if, yeah, there you go. To see if any louvers would fit this setup. And lo and behold, I do. So that way I don't have to replace their entire damper. Saving some money, recycle. And yeah. All right, back inside, pull the machine, check everything behind, clean up behind. Some work to do. All right. So now I'm going to check behind the dryer. And you just stick your hand inside. It's not going to bite you. out of breath. Y'all saw what I just did. But you can't really see. But has a good smooth transition. Let's go outside, see what we have. All right, back up here on the pergola. I don't know, pergola. You tell me. Comment below. Is it pergola, pergola? What is it? But either way, no matter what it is, hopefully you guys can see. This thing is humming like it should. The big takeaway from this one, guys, is I'm trying to get out of the sun. Remember, only screen a dryer vent if you can maintain it. If you can't maintain that dryer vent, you better not screen it. It's only going to cause you more trouble than it's worth. Okay? Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Please consider subscribing. Doesn't cost you anything. I'm not going to send you a bunch of emails, anything like that. It just shows love and it helps the algorithm to push my videos out to more people, which is what I'm trying to do, get that message across. I thank you guys. We'll see you on the next one.